In this video, I will give you 3 ways to control your personal info in your WhatsApp account. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your WhatsApp app. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Click on settings. Click on privacy. Then scroll down right here, all the way down. Click on privacy checkup. And go ahead and click on control your personal info. Then here you go. First thing first, click on profile photo. Here you can decide who can see your profile picture. You can either make it all to everyone available, to your contact, to my contact except, or to nobody right here, which is fully privacy guide. By that, no one will be able to see your profile picture in WhatsApp. Then go back. Next one right here, last seen and online. Go ahead and click on that. Your last seen and online can be determined by everyone, my contact except, or you can decide to make it silent to everyone. You can choose nobody, which simply means that all your contacts, including people that are not in your contact before, will not know whether you are online or you are not, or you are offline. And make sure you click on save as last seen. It's that simple. Lastly, go back right here and then make sure you click on read receipt right here. Read receipt is another privacy check right here. If you enable this, if you turn off, you won't send or receive a read receipt. If you enable this icon right here, it simply means that you will read people's message and they will not know that you have read the message. Just like so. It's that simple. This is one of the best 3 ways to control your personal info in your WhatsApp account. Let me know what you think about some of this information in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about WhatsApp topic like this, consider to hit on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.